Yes guys, so we're there with our next epic sea bass fish dish. So here we're going to go on guys. We're going to season this with some salt and pepper. Go over this and show them what we're going. That's all we are using today guys, some salt and pepper. And we're going to season up this and sear it and then cook it down in some rosemary cream sauce. May I talk too much? Watch the video to the end guys. Alright, so remember to season from high.
So it's evenly spread. Yes guys.
And you want to lightly season this guys. Because remember you're gonna finish cook it in some sauce. All you're going to do is just sear the two sides.
Yes guys, and fish take on to flavor well, so all your fish need is a little salt and pepper. If you didn't know, now you know. Fun fact, right? And we're all about flavor and taste over here guys. Look at that
guys, look on that. You know like what I want?
Just
alright. So right now we're gonna get submerged in the oil because the pot over here saw heat up long time, so just forward.
Yes guys, look at that. Hot, roaring hot. So we're just going to submerge our sea bass. Drop it down in the comment section if you've ever heard about coconut rosemary sea bass, and if it's the first time you're hearing it, show us some love. Right guys, we have sear creativity over here. You don't know, and we're gonna sear this on both sides for 5 to 8 minutes, and we're going to give it a test in between. So forward again. Yes guys, it's that time to give this a turn. Look at that. Look at that sear guys. Beautiful. Look at that. So when you guys see us again, it's removal time. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick finger. No guys, and a removal time. And when it go start down, you see, you nah follow you now. Drop it down in the comment section if you did not tell me what time it is guys. So next time you guys see us is when we're going to sauce him down and all that good stuff. So drop some comments down in the comment section, show us some love, and share if you care. Yes guys, it's that time, removal time.
So we're gonna get on with the sauce up now.
Look at that, and place this on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. We're gonna get on with the sauce now. So forward.
Yeah guys, so first we're gonna add some butter.
Yes guys, melt that down. Look at that. Look at that. Yes guys.
And while that melts, add in the cream sauce. Look at that, beautiful color. Rosemary.
In.
Bay leaf.
In. Yes guys, look at that. Yes guys.
Add in the sea bass.
Look at that. So we're going to allow this to come to a simmer, and we'll just get right back at you guys. So forward. Look at that guys. Look at that. Coming together nicely, right?
So guys, now I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper.
You don't know?
To flavor
in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. And guys, the aroma from this rosemary and the bay leaf, guys, if you don't cook with natural herbs, please do so now. If you've never cooked with bay leaf or rosemary, just give it a try.
Alright, so now we're gonna submerge.
Yes guys, look at that. Oh my god guys, I get so excited whenever I'm cooking. Food is my passion guys. I get so excited when it comes on to food.
And the fish cook already guys, and the sauce actually cook. So all I gotta do is make it coat the fish.
Yeah, absorb all the fish, absorb all that coconut creamy goodness. Yes guys, look at that. Yes guys. That. So you don't know what time it is, so ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. Let's go. Yes guys, look at that. Start dropping them comments guys. If you're not start follow up on Instagram yet, no, so you can't be a real foodie if you're not following us on Instagram and on our TikTok, guys. The epic some of them they over there saying bro. Check the description and get on with it.
Yeah, guys, remember all of the links in the description for everything and for all some of the old videos as well.
Yes, guys.
So if you did miss it, they're in the description. You can
feel free to catch up
and watch it. But go and take in the epic plate, you know, guys. And normal. I don't know when I go to work and a chicken with a jerk. I love a jerk chicken too.
Yes, guys. And guys, we really appreciate the love and feedback that we're getting from the videos. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. Look at that. Guys, drop it down in the comment section the state of your stomach right now, because I know it's crumbling. And remember, check out our tutorial channel. It's been a while since we haven't posted on it, but we're gonna start posting again. And if you guys can blow up that channel within 1 month, we'll give you guys content like every week, right? So just blow it up. Over there you get everything fully detailed. Yes, guys, you can't be complete without garnishing. Yes, guys. Look at that. I'm in awe. I just get excited about food, the preparation process, carrying out the creative idea. I love it. I love it, guys. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's always a joy to see the idea in your head come into reality and hearing from your customer that I really enjoy this meal. You deserve, you know that little speech there? Yes, it really melts our hearts. And that is why we do what we do and how we do it, guys.
Guys, I say anything on I do, try to do it to the best.
That's so true. Do
Only
it to
your
the
best is good enough.
Yeah, do it to the best of your abilities, because your work really represents you. You feel me? And don't beat up yourself too much, because there's always room for improvement. Just improve on it, and from you know you've given it your all and your best, be proud. Just take criticism and just know that it's always a learning process where you can learn from it and take away from the experience. So even if it didn't come out the way how you want it, just take from it and learn from it, right? Yes, guys.
Guys, you can grow from your mistakes.
Yeah. And that's how you're going to be a great chef or a great teacher, a great learner, a great student. You know what I mean? Just learn from the comments and the feedbacks that you get. Take it into consideration and use it as a state of elevation to move forward. Improvements, guys. Look at that.
Over garnish this, guys, but one right there, so.
Look at that. And that's the final touches. Look at that. Really nice, guys. Go over to our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Until next time.
We at foodies.
Think we did done. Yes, guys. Now we're finished. Ay, mommy. Yes, guys. Until next time.
Bye, foodies. Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?